Welcome back to Making the Case. Witness testimony continued today in the trial of the 3 white men charged with the murder of Ahmaud Arbery, a 25-year-old black man. Paul Henderson, Molly Parmer, my legal panel of experts still with me. All right, guys, so I want you all to grade the prosecution's presentation of their case in chief so far. And were there any missed opportunities, and what are you looking for in the days ahead? Molly, to you first.
You know, honestly, and I'm a diehard defense lawyer, but in this one, I have to say the prosecution has done a really good job, and we're only a few days into testimony and evidence. I would grade them pretty high, I gotta say. I think the defense has a tough road ahead of them. I didn't expect anything less. These defense lawyers are strong as well, though, but I do think that the prosecution has done exceptionally well, even from my perspective.
Paul?
Okay, I would say a high B plus, and I think they've done a great job. I was really, I had an emotional reaction to seeing a prosecutor of color brought into the team to articulate and talk about this case. Because again, as I've said, I think a lot of this case deals with race, and unpacking that can be complicated for a jury, especially in this jury that doesn't have a lot of people of color on it. I think this slight missed opportunity that we've seen in the past have been not being as empathetic or sympathetic about Ahmaud Arbery as a victim, and not being as vociferous and outraged about the references to him as a defendant, as if he'd done something wrong, which in this case he did not. And so I think they're doing a very good job, and I'd like to see how they conclude the rest of the case.
All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me through the entire hour. Veteran prosecutor and BNC's legal contributor Paul Henderson and criminal defense attorney Molly Parmer. Again, thank you so much for your time tonight. Remember, we're your go-to place for the latest developments and expert analysis on this trial. So tune in every weeknight right here on Making the Case.